Hi friends, today we are going to see about cell biology MCQ. First one, oxysome are made of option A lipoprotein, option B glycoprotein, option C phosphoprotein, option D none of the above. Here, the oxysomes are present on the surface of inner membrane of mitochondria. Here the round particle is called oxysome and this is inner membrane. Oxysomes are made up of head, base, stalk. These are one of the small round bodies present in the fold of cristae of the mitochondria. Oxysomes take part in the synthesis of ATP through the process of oxidative phosphorylation. So it is also known as ATP synthesis. These are chemically made up of the protein cortex and phospholipid core. So the correct answer is option A lipoprotein. Next one, fluid mosaic model was given by option A Beadle and Tatum, option B Robert Brown, option C Watson and Crick, option D Singer and Nicholson. The correct answer is option D Singer and Nicholson. Which of the following is found in highest number in the cell? Option A chloroplast, option B nucleus, option C mitochondria, option D ribosome. The correct answer is option D ribosome. Next, the major constituent of the cell organelle centriole is option A actin, option B myosin, option C tubulin, option D intermediate filament. The centriole is present in the animal cell. The major function of centriole is to help with cell division in animal cell. In cell biology, a centriole is a cylindrical organelle composed mainly of protein called tubulin. So the correct answer is tubulin. In cell cycle, the centrioles replicate. Option A G1 phase, option B S phase, option C G2 phase, option D M phase. Here, the S phase is characteristic by biosynthetic activity like duplication of DNA and centrioles. The centrioles gives rise to spindle fiber. So the correct answer is option B S phase. Next, cell cycle is governed by option A CDK cycline, option B glycocalyx, option C CMP, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A CDK cycline. CDK means cyclin dependent protein kinase. Next, which of the following is not a homopolysaccharide? First, what is homopolysaccharide? Homopolysaccharides are polysaccharides composed of a single type of sugar monomer. Option A starch, option B chitin, option C pectin, option D hyaluronic acid. The correct answer is option B chitin. Chitin is made up of N-acetyl glucosamine unit. Therefore, chitin is heteropolysaccharide. This means different kinds of monosaccharides are bonded together in a long chain. So the correct answer is option B. Next one, middle lamella is made up of option A suberin, option B calcium pectate, option C cellulose, option D lignin. This is middle lamella. This layer is adjacent the cell together. The middle lamella is a jelly-like substance. It is made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. So the correct answer is calcium pectate. Next, main function of centromere is linked with option A cell enlargement, option B nucleolus formation, option C spindle organization, option D cytokinesis. The centromere is the central region of the chromosome. Here the two sister chromatids are attached at the centromere. Specifically, it is the region where the cell's spindle fiber is attached. So the correct answer is option C, spindle organization. Next one, suicidal bag is another name of option A, mitochondria, option B, ribosome, option C, lysosome, option D, chloroplast. The correct answer is option C, lysosome. This is lysosome. If the cell is damaged, the lysosome undergo autolysis and burst open. What is the meaning of autolysis? Autolysis means breakdown of cell or tissue by self-produced enzyme. So what happens as a result? It releases hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes digest their own cell and ultimately the cell dies. Hence, they are called as suicidal back of the cells. Next one. Which of the following cell organelle is not membrane bound? Option A mitochondria, option B lysosomes, option C spirosomes, option D ribosome. The correct answer is option D ribosome. Next, which one of the following organelles mainly stores hydrolytic enzymes? Option A lysosomes, option B peroxisomes, option C hydrogenosomes, option D Golgi complex. The correct answer is option A lysosomes. Already I have mentioned in the previous question. Here the lysosome release hydrolytic enzyme. This enzyme digests their own cell and ultimately the cell dies. So they are called as suicidal bag. Next, in eukaryotic cell cycle, nuclear DNA synthesis occurs during option A M phase, option B S phase, option C G1 phase, option D G2 phase. The correct answer is option B S phase. Next one. The chromosome doubling can be achieved by use of option A IAA, option B GA, option C zeatin, option D colchicine. The correct answer is option D colchicine. Next, ribosomes are concerned with the synthesis of option A lipids, option B RNA, option C polypeptide, option D carbohydrate. Here the ribosome composed of two subunits. The smaller subunits decodes mRNA and the large subunits catalyzes polypeptide formation. So the correct answer is option C polypeptide. Next, which of the following does not contain DNA? Option A peroxisomes, option B chloroplast, option C mitochondria, option D nuclei. The correct answer is option A peroxisome. The membrane enclosing cell vacuoles is known as option A tonoplast, option B ectoplast, option C endoplast, option D plasma membrane. The correct answer is option A tonoplast. Plasma lemma is made up of option A single protein layer, option B single lipid layer, option C lipid bilayer with integral and peripheral proteins, option D single protein and single lipid layer. The correct answer is option C lipid bilayer with integral and peripheral proteins. Plasma lemma means cell membrane. Next one. The unit of measurement of transmission electron microscope is option A 0.001 mu m, option B 0.00001 mu m, option C 0.01 mu m, option D 0.0001 mu m. The correct answer is option A 0.001 mu m. Next, in mitosis, the chromosome can be seen most distinctly during option A interphase, option B prophase, option C metaphase, option D telophase. The correct answer is option C metaphase. This is the metaphase stage. Here, the chromosomes are mostly easily seen and identified at the metaphase stage of cell division. Next, in packeting stage of meiotic division, the chromosome appear. Option A single stranded, option B double stranded, option C four stranded, option D three stranded. See, this is the packeting stage. During the packeting, the chromosome get crossed with each other and forms a four stranded or tetrad appearance. So the correct answer is option C four stranded. Next, peroxisomes are associated with option A fermentation, option B transpiration, option C vernalization, option D photorespiration. Here the correct answer is option D photorespiration. See, this is the photorespiration image. In photorespiration, three cell organelles are involved: chloroplast, peroxisome and mitochondria. Next, lysosomes are produced by option A chloroplast, option B ribosomes, option C Golgi apparatus, option D mitochondria. The correct answer is option C, Golgi apparatus. Next, genes do not occur in pairs in option A, zygote, option B, somatic cells, option C, endosperm cell, option D, gametes. Here, option A, zygote. Genes occur in pairs because it is diploid. Option B, somatic cells. Here also genes occur in pairs because it is diploid. Next, option C, endosperm cells. Genes occur in three groups because it is triploid. Next, option D, gametes. Here genes do not occur in pairs because it is haploid. So the correct answer is gametes. A mitogen is a substance that option A blocks mitosis, option B promotes mitosis, option C causes cancer, option D breaks spindle fibers. The correct answer is option B promotes mitosis.